Hello friends, I hope you are all doing great at home, and today we will learn the salutations in French. Let's start. Conversations informal. Salut, comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Marc. Et toi, comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Sophie. Où t'habites-tu?
J'habite à Paris.
Quel âge as-tu?
J'ai 9 ans. Enchantée, Sophie. Au revoir.
Enchanté, Marc. Au revoir. Now we will see the conversation formal. Bonjour madame. Bonjour monsieur, comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Max Brown. Enchanté monsieur Brown. Où habitez-vous? J'habite à Lyon. À Lyon? Et quel âge avez-vous? J'ai 40 ans. Merci monsieur Brown. On vous rappelle à demain. Merci madame. À demain. That was the conversation informal and formal. Please keep in mind, vous is used to address a single person formally. It is also used to address a group of people of any age. Okay, now let's learn the vocabulary. See you soon. À bientôt. See you tomorrow. À demain. Goodbye. Au revoir. Hello or good morning or good afternoon. Bonjour. Good night. Bonne nuit. Good evening. Bonsoir. Good luck. Bonne chance. How are you? Comment allez-vous? How are you? Comment ça va? What is your name? Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Sorry, désolé. You're welcome. De rien. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Enter, entrez. And you or and yours. Et toi? Et vous? Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Afternoon, l'après-midi. Morning, le matin. Madam or ma'am. Madame, miss, mademoiselle. Thank you, merci. Mr, monsieur. No, no. Yes, oui. Where do you live? Où habites-tu? Where do you live? Où habitez-vous? How old are you? Quel âge as-tu? How old are you? Quel âge avez-vous? Hi, salut. Please, s'il vous plaît. Okay, friends, so if you have paid attention, there is 2 times how are you, 2 times what is your name, etc. That means for conversation informal and formal. That's why we have 2 types of them. So that was the quick vocabulary. See you in the next video. Bye friends.